morning from the Contemporary. We are heading over to Hollywood Studios for our last day at Hollywood Studios, and we're gonna have fun. I'm hoping I can get on Mickey's Mine Train ride. I haven't been on that yet, so I'm looking forward to that. I've got on my Snow White ears, my Pixar mask, and I got myself a Walt Disney World t-shirt. All right, let's go have some fun.
There we go. Awesome. I'm a Star Wars fan. I need to go. I haven't been there yet, so I need to try it out. All right, well, everyone, I think we're starting to get a great crowd out there. So this is our Disney Junior Play and Dance. So we're going to be doing both. Who out there loves to play? Who loves to dance? Who loves to do both things at once? Excellent. All right, we all. That's a cool one. Yeah, both of them. Is that Minnie on yours? There we go. And what do we have over here? Is that like every...
Pixar!
Oh, it's Pixar. And then that's Disney. And are we getting a jump start on Halloween?
Oh yeah!
Very cool. Oh, it's never too early to celebrate Halloween at Walt Disney World. So, who loves Vampirina? Oh, we have some Vampirina. I think I heard all of our guests say who it was. So one more time. Who am I forgetting? 1, 2, 3. Mickey Mouse. Everyone make some noise if you love Mickey Mouse. Wow, we got a real full house. Here we go on the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Again, let me see what we got. And raising the roof. I'm liking that dad's dance over there. I don't know what this is, but I love Mickey Dad doing it. Very cool. All right, what do we got? Oh, a nice twirl. The assistant's over there. And we have the Simba stomp.
Yeah!
Nice. All right, cool. So we got some amazing dancers here. But more importantly, I want to test out everyone's rhythm. Because what is dancing if you can't dance to a beat? I need everyone's hands up in the air. And I need you to hold them out to the side. And now I need a nice clap up in the air. Mike Wazowski joined the party. What is up, Mike? You're my favorite. All right, now I need hands up going side to side. There we go. And everyone give yourself a wonderful round of applause. That was an excellent Disney Junior dance. That's right, we need everyone to rise and stand up. We need everyone's hands up in the air. And we're going to get started the Disney Junior way. Everyone, up and up. There we go, looking good out there. Nice energy in the back. I need hands going side to side. There we go, Disney parents. Nice. Now everyone, wide your stance. Hands out. I need everyone to the beat. There we go. Come on. Nice, everyone to the beat. I need your hands up. Give them up. Bring your hands up side to side. All right, all the parents, you should know this dance. Hands down, left and right, and show me your best twist. And get low with it to the floor. And now Disney dads in the room, show me your best robot. Robot, very good down in front. Very good over there, love it. Everyone, you're doing amazing. Make some noise for yourselves, that was a great. Make some noise for Benny. Thank you so much for coming to our party. I knew you were coming, so I played this song just for you. One of my favorites from your band. Now, I say we should all of our friends some rockin' moves. Everyone try it out. Your best, Monster Club. And now let's see your Bigfoot stomp. And then of course, rock it out on your Spookalele. Now everyone, let's take all three of those moves, put them together, and show Band Freedom what we can do. Everyone, hands in the air and Monster Club. And stomp it out. Go and rock it on out. Hands up. There we go now with your feet. And shred that guitar. Everyone, let's make some noise for Vampirina right here on the stage. Great job, Pete. Party's on time. Thank you so much for taking our house call today. Okay, we need to do exactly what the there we go. Everyone try reaching up high. Nice. Okay, this time take it real low. One more time. Hands in the air. Nice jump out there. Incredible. All right, everyone. Just like I promised, an amazing hula dancer. He's leader of the Lion Guard and from the Pride Lands. But he's best known for making Hakuna Matata a wonderful phrase. You know who else? Let's bring him out here. It's Timon. Timon Life Party. I'm so excited you're here. And all the way from the Pride Lands. That's quite the journey. Now, I'm sure you're hungry from your travels. But let's show our friends some of those meerkat moves. Take it up and down. I love this dance, Timon. Oh, yeah. There we go. Take it up and down. Go all around. And move the other way. Now try it with your feet and your legs side to side. We're gonna move pretty fast. And Mickey, let's get ready to go, go, go! Everyone buckle up, hands on the wheel and go! Looking good out there. Oh, and remember to change that gear. And keep an eye for traffic and amazing dancers at our Disney Junior Play Dance. One more time, hands on the wheel, go, go, go! Switch it up. Awesome job. And everyone's staying in their party zone. Amazing. Let's make some noise for Mickey Mouse. But you know what? I said
that was cute. She was really into that. Okay, so that was fun. She got energized. I think Mommy had just as much fun in that as Aubrey did.
Well, yeah, I had to do it with her. Dance mom, duh.
Was your daughter the best dancer?
Yeah, she was. I was looking around. I was like, y'all kids got nothing on mine. I was like, my kids.
It's like a dance competition here at Disney.
My kids even got like the bounce in it.
Oh, that was fun.
Okay.
Okay, so we're in the Sci-Fi Diner. I love this place. Love this place.
Why, oh, why? Hey, Mom, do you want to look at the menu?
Yes, please.
Okay, they have burgers, class American, turkey sandwich, chicken pasta, buffalo chicken salad, barbecue burger. Pasta.
Okay, so Aubrey's eating my ice cream.
No, your whipped cream.
Oh yeah, but she loves whipped cream. I've got this salad, the wedge salad. Okay, so I'm eating my burger. It's pretty good. Onion rings are fantastic. I got a vanilla milkshake, and that one was really good. Girls got the classic cheeseburgers. Good. Why would you be watching YouTube when you could be watching this epicness right there? I know.
I can eat and watch YouTube. What? You give me a phone when I eat. What does matter? You give me a phone when I eat. So yeah, I watch my YouTube when I eat.
You created that. Put your mouth on the straw. Ice cream. Mouth on the straw. Don't look at me while you do it. Try not to get like this on you.
How'd they do it back in the 50s, huh?
Okay, well they were trying to hook up, not sisters.
It's a little chilly in here.
My driver license.
She got a driver's license. Where's my phone?
Why do you even have a phone? Aubrey, can I have my phone?
Mom, she found it.
Oh, nice. 80-minute wait for Slinky Dog. 40 for Toy Story Mania. Same.
What are you two laughing about? So my experience from today at Hollywood Studios is that there's lines that are crazy. It's too many lines. Way too many lines for me to want to stand in all day long. Although I wanted to stand in line for the Runaway Railway, but I couldn't because it's broken now.
Oh, sorry. I'm not paying attention.
And these two back here are being goober butts. Aubrey, you're driving us in the car. Drive us. Pretend like you're driving.
Hello, Miss Lady. So I think I can help with this Pam brother. Where'd he come from? It's my stepbrother.
Video screen.
So here is my review
Advantages as well as virtue.
of the Sci-Fi
Plenty of
Diner.
time to iron out
So I have this friend who still wets the bed.
$5,000 per phone today.
Be
So as the
prepared
price comes down, the video phone
to
remains
go back in time.
The
God, my ears are so sparkly. I didn't realize that. I was thinking more like, want to chop it off and make some guacamole. I was thinking more like, I'm from Holland. Isn't that weird? I like gold. Fasha, 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 fasha. Fasha, can you hear me? Fasha, 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 fasha. Are those sharks with freaking laser beams on their freaking heads? And that's the way. I like it. Yes, in the Sunshine Band.
Okay guys, what's up? I got done with an amazing lunch. I'm super full from Sci-Fi Cafe, overstuffed myself. Vanilla milkshake and chocolate milkshake were amazing. And onion rings to die for. wedge salad, the bomb. And I had the blue cheese kind of cheeseburger, pretty good. I've had better, but not too bad. That was my least favorite out of all of it. Now I'm gonna go spend almost 2 hours waiting in line for the Mickey's Runaway Railway. The girls left and went back to the hotel. So it's all by myself. Let's go see if I can get on this ride. Okay, so I'm sitting here outside the gates of Hollywood Studios. I got me another pink drink and some water before I head on out of here. I wanted to show off my new ears for my favorite new ride. I absolutely loved the Mickey Runaway Railway. I guess that's how you say it. It was so cute, so fun. I just wish Aubrey and my girls could have experienced it. I think they would have loved it. I absolutely loved it. It is now one of my new favorite rides. I will do that one again next time we come. Oh, was it worth the 2-hour wait? Well, the line said 110 minutes, but I think the reason why it was longer than that is because Galaxy's Edge, both rides there, the ride of the Rise of the Resistance and the Millennium Falcon are both down. They've been down all day, so I can't even go fly the Millennium Falcon again. Dang it! But that's it for me for Hollywood Studios. We are done. Tomorrow is my last day in the parks. I am so super bummed. I was crying on my way out of the park today. I hate leaving here. I just love it here so much. This park is fun. It is my second favorite. My first one, of course, is Magic Kingdom. All right, I think I'm gonna go back to the hotel, maybe do some swimming, relax, and enjoy the rest of the evening off. And yeah, so let's go back and see what the girls are up to. I'm just digging these cute new mini ears. It just sucks because I can't get it all in there. Look at how cute they are. Yay! Okay guys, I made it back. I'm sitting here out on this deck area here. God, I love this place. This resort is ideally one of my absolute favorite resorts I've ever stayed at here at the Contemporary. This view does not do justice. It seems like Magic Kingdom looks really far away, same thing with Space Mountain, but they're actually really, really close. It's crazy how close this all is. And you can see Grand Floridian over there. I can even see, when I move around, I can even see some of the other resorts too, like the Polynesian and stuff. It's just gorgeous. I've just been sitting here in this view area right here, just sitting, relaxing, and enjoying this view. I mean, it's just gorgeous, gorgeous. Couple thoughts on the vacation, things that I wish were different. First of all, I wish there was park hoppers still. That sucks, not being able to park hop, because I hate the idea that I can't go in there right now because they just did the Halloween decorations and I have to wait until tomorrow to go see them. I hate not having fast passes because the lines get extremely long because of it. I really don't like wearing the masks. It's kind of a pain in the butt. It's hot. It makes it hard for me to breathe. And I love seeing people's faces and their smiles and their happiness, and I can't really see that. So it does bother me. I hate seeing little kids wearing the mask too. But I get it. I understand that, you know, there's a pandemic and everything that's going on. So if you're planning to come to Walt Disney World during this time period, there's a few things that you can expect. One of them, you can expect long lines. That's gonna happen because the park's capacity has increased tremendously from when they first started. There are more people coming and taking vacations. I think there's more people that are not really that worried about the pandemic anymore, and they just want to get back to some normalcy. So they're willing to wear masks and have their kids wear masks to come to the parks. The other thing you can expect, being bummed out that you can't see the parks at night. I hate that. Oh, I love this. Look at, there's the monorail. That's so cool. I love it when it goes overhead. Other people think it's weird, but I love it. The positive things though that you can expect, you're still gonna get the great cast service. The cast members here are outstanding, and they are so excited to be back at work and to have the opportunity to share the Disney magic with you. So that part of it is great. It's excellent. You can still get the magic. I mean, Disney magic is more than just going on a ride. It's watching views like this. It's spending time with your family. It's seeing the characters. I love seeing the characters, even though they're in cavalcades or they're up on, you know, the balconies or whatever. I still get to see them. I still get to interact with them. And actually, I think they interact a little bit more now than they did before when you would just do the meet and greet. So it's really cool having that. I hope they keep that in the future. I really like the boarding pass situation that they have. I hope they add that to some other stuff so that it makes it easier and you're not standing in lines for something that's like hours long. I hate that. I hate standing in long lines, but it is what it is, you know. The other positive thing, the food is tremendous as always. They're still just outstanding with their food services. And I guess the other thing that would be positive is the fact that you still get to be here. Even though there are lockdowns and there's places that still haven't opened. I know dance studios across the country are still suffering and still not being able to get back in their dance studios, and small businesses are not open right now. So the opportunity to still come here and be a part of this world is still wonderful and magical. It does help. Yes, the masks remind you of the pandemic, but being here, seeing the castle, going on your favorite rides, that magic still gives you hope. And that's what Disney is. It's about hope and magic and laughter, and it's just, it warms my heart, and I just love being here. And I'm so sad I have to go home tomorrow or in 2 days, so I didn't want to get emotional, but that's what this trip's been. It's been very emotional. This pandemic has been very difficult on all of us, not just here, but around the world. I know there's a couple of my friends that are in the UK that weren't able to come, and I feel so heartbroken that they're not able to experience even just a little bit of this magic still. So to all of you UK fans of Disney, it's gonna get lifted soon. I promise. Things will get back to normal. I'm hoping. This has given me hope, guys. Being here has given me hope that this nightmare, this crazy, stupid mask nightmare, will be over soon. So I have hope. I have hope for all of us to go back to fireworks and times at night in the parks and fast passes and parades and shows. I have hope, and I hope you watching our vlogs gives you a little hope too. So I just feel so bad that any of us have had to go through this, and I'm looking forward to when we can get back to the full Disney experience. So those are my thoughts on all of that today. The girls are down at the pool, so I think I'm gonna go down there and go have some fun doing that. I'm gonna end today's vlog here, and I just wanna say, once again, look at that monorail. So cool. I really do hope that you've enjoyed doing these Disney vlogs with us, and I hope you stick around for more, because I plan on coming back again. And I want to thank Disney for giving us and continuing to give us hope. Hope that this will all be over soon, and hope that we can all have a little bit of magic in our lives still, even during all this craziness. So I'm done with the tears. I had a really good day. I'm so glad I got to go on my new favorite ride. I love these ears. They're just so cute. Oh, all right. I'm gonna go. You guys have a wonderful, magical week. And so, yeah. All right. I will see you guys. Bye. Giant green booger.